this video, I'm going to give you some tips on sweeping. All you'll need is a broom, a dustpan, and a mess. A little more. There you go. When you sweep, have both hands on the broom, one towards the top and one towards the middle. Instead of pushing, pull the broom towards you so you create a pile in front of your feet. Sometimes it's hard to keep track of the piles you make while you're sweeping. To make this easier, and only with permission, you can create a square on the floor with tape. Pull the broom towards you and towards the square so the pile is in the center of the square. If you're at work or somewhere where you're not allowed to put tape on the floor, you can always use the dustpan as your guide. Place the dustpan on the floor and sweep the mess to the front of the dustpan. Now that you have your pile, using one hand, grab the handle of the dustpan. With your other hand, grabbing towards the bottom of the broom, sweep the mess onto the dustpan. This can take some practice to be able to do on your own. If you're having trouble, you can always ask a friend for help. Nice work! Now you can throw the mess in the garbage and put the broom and the dustpan away. Let's review. Put both hands on the broom. Sweep the mess into a pile. Sweep the pile onto the dustpan. Ask for help if you need it. When you're done, throw the mess into the garbage and put the broom and dustpan away where they belong. Now you'll know what to do the next time there's something to sweep. Happy spring cleaning!